In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to n8n. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate over to your n8n dashboard. Once you're there, look for the section where you can manage your workflows. This is where all the magic happens, and it's crucial to ensure everything is set up correctly from the get-go. Next, click on Create Workflow. This will open up a fresh workspace for you to start building your automation. It's a clean slate where we'll bring all the building blocks together. Once here, you'll need to add a trigger node. This is essentially the starting point for your automation. It defines what event will kickstart the workflow. In this case, we'll be using Gmail, so let's go ahead and select Gmail from the list of available options. After you click on Gmail, you need to choose the desired action. Depending on your use case, you might want to send an email, read an email, or even delete an email. This step is vital as it configures how Gmail will interact with n8n in your setup. Make sure this action aligns with what you intend to automate. Now, it's time to head over to the Google Cloud console. This part might seem daunting if you're not familiar with Google Cloud, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Click on the option that says On Message Received. This will set up your workflow to trigger when a new message hits your Gmail inbox. The next step is to create a new project in Google Cloud. Think of this project as a container that holds all the settings and credentials necessary for Gmail to communicate with n8n. Once your project is created, navigate to API and Services. This menu is where you'll configure your app to interact securely with Google services. Under API and Services, click on Credentials. It's a vital step because this is where we'll generate the credentials that authorize n8n to access your Gmail data. Select Create Credentials, and from the drop-down, choose Auth Client ID. This OAuth client ID is a secure way for your app to interact with Google's API. When asked for the application type, select Web Application since we'll be integrating with a web service. Enter all necessary information as prompted. Once you've got your client ID, switch back over to n8n. In n8n, go back to the credentials section. Here, we'll be setting up a new Google OAuth 2 API entry. Paste the client ID you obtained from Google Cloud into the relevant field in n8n. This step ensures that your n8n instance can securely connect to your Gmail account using the credentials you've just generated. Finally, hit save to ensure all your configurations are stored. And there you have it. You've just connected Gmail to n8n. This setup will allow you to automate tasks involving Gmail, vastly simplifying and streamlining your workflows. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has made connecting Gmail to n8n clear and accessible.